Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I am Noreen from Darya Arkam Schools. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. I am also fine. Jazakumullah. Okay students, this is your maths book. Do you have? Take out it. Hurry up all the students. Very nice. And pencil. Yes. Take a pencil also. All the students. And sit properly. So let's start maths work. Okay, and I feel you enjoy it very well. Okay, look at board first. Students, today our topic is fear. Fear means कम होना, चीज़ों की तादाद कम होना. fear कहलाता है. fear तादाद का चीज़ों के कम होना fear कहलाता है. Okay, like this I have only one scale, so it's a fear. So look at board, book page number 1. Students, open it. Ready? Okay, very nice. Fear. Tick the set with fewer things. Tick the set with fewer things. इसमें जौन से भी सेट्स में फ्यूर हैं उन सेट को हम टिक करेंगे. नाउ स्टार्ट काउंटिंग. इन दिस सेट we have pencils. Look at these objects. 1, 2, 3. And the other set is we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we tick this set because it's a fewer. Now in the next set, done students? Yes. Next set, look at these objects. Work and count it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in this set, how many objects? 1, 2, 3. So where we tick? Here. Very good. All the students tick in this box. Fastly. Yes, very nice. Okay, you take an interest very well. Now in the next set we count these objects. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In this set we have 10 objects. On the other hand we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where we tick students? In which set we tick? Yes, we tick here because it's a fewer. And in this sets we count the objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the other hand we can see also a set. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, tell me where I tick. Yes, very nice. This set is fewer. So students, today in this page we learn fewer. In these objects this set is fewer, so we tick it. In this set these objects are fewer, so we tick here. And the other sets, this set is tick because the fewer objects in this set. And also in the last sets we can see this set has fewer objects, so we tick here. Very good. Okay students, now turn the page number 2. All the students please open page number 2. Okay, do you open it? Very nice. So You look at here also are sets, and the topic is more. The topic is more. In first page we learn fear. The concept is fear, and on the next page we learn now more. चीज़ों का ज़्यादा होना. So let's start. Tick the set with more things. In these sets we count, and we can see in which set we tick. That is more things. So let's start. In the first set, count with me. In this set the objects are 1, 2, 3. Just only three objects in this set. On the other hand, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 objects. It means this set is more. This set is more than the first set. So we tick here like this. Hurry up, students. Done. Okay, my dear students. In the next set, these objects we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the other hand, 1, 2, 3. Just 3 objects in this set. So we tick here because there is more than things. Okay, write it. Done. In the next sets, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this set, count with me, all the students. Yes, very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. So we tick this set because this set is based on more things. More things. Okay. In the last set, we have a lot of objects. So we count it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 4. 4 after. 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this set we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 objects. So it means this set we tick because in which 8 objects. As you can see in this set we have 8 objects, so we tick here. More things. More things. In these sets we tick that sets they have more things. Okay, students. Okay, students, next page is 3. Book page number 3. Look at here, all the students. We topic is fear and more. Our topic is fear and more. In each set we have an activity. We can do it. Okay, done. Okay, students, in first set, for each set which fish has more spots, circle it. Now find in this set that fish they have more spots. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And more spots on this fish, as you know and as you can see. So circle it like this. Hurry up. Complete it, students. Okay, in the next set You can find that fish, they have a lot of spots on it. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4. Yes, this fish has a lot of spots on it. So what we do? Circle it. So start the circle around it. Okay, students, complete it now. Done, all the students? So okay, second is, for each set which fish has fewer spots, circle it. Now in these sets we find that fish, they have fewer spots. So let's start. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3. And this fish has a lot of spots. So the fewer spots on this fish. So circle it now. Circle this fish, student. Circle around it. Hurry up, students. Done? Okay, in the next sets we can do the same. Tell me the fish that have a few spots. Yes, this one. So all the students circle around the fish like this. Okay, do it. Done. Okay, in the last sets, draw more bubbles of blue fish than the orange fish. Okay, in this fish, as you see, we draw more bubbles. Orange fish has 1 2 3 4 5 bubbles, and blue fish has 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now all the students draw a circle bubbles like this. Hurry up, students. Complete it now. It's a very interesting page. Yes, do you have completed? Okay. Okay, students. Next page, page number 4. All the students, open it now. Take a pencil. Yes, you take it? Okay, all the students, hurry up. Very nice. You take an interest very well in this lesson. It's a very interesting concepts. Okay, ready? Okay, students. In this set, we have also do a same concept, fewer and more. Look at the pairs of sets in each box. Count and write in the boxes. हमने काउंट करना है इनको ऑब्जेक्ट्स को और इसमें बॉक्स में राइट करना है. एंड कलर फ्यू ब्लू एंड मोर रेड. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. In the first set, count the objects 1, 2. So all the students write 2 in this set. Okay, done. Okay, and look at the next set. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. So students, hurry up. Write down 4 in this box. We have 4 objects in this set. Yes, very nice. Okay, students. In the next set, we have many objects. Count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So we write here 9. Write down 9, students. Now we color it with red pencil. रेड कलर पेंसिल है? ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स? Okay, let's start coloring. Yes, very nice. Make an outline first and then you fill. Yes, like this you fill it. First you make an outline and then fill it with red color pencil. All the students do it. Very good. Okay, students, complete coloring with me. Okay, students, we do red color in these objects because this set is more things. This set have more things, and in the next set we count how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here 4 objects. So write here 4. It means this set is based on fewer things. Fewer. So we colored the fewer objects with blue color pencil. Blue. Okay, start it now. Like this. Okay, students, do you understand? Good. And this is the last object in this set. Okay, students, in the next sets, count the butterflies. These objects are 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all the students write down in this box 3. Write down 3. Okay, in the next set, we count these objects 1, 2, 3, 4. Now tell me the sets. In which set is fewer and more? 4. All the children write it. Yes, this set is fewer and this one is more. Okay, now start coloring. In few things we do the color blue. Hurry up, students. Wow, students take a very keenly do your work and take an interest in it. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Yes, my dear. Yes. Okay. Complete these colors with me. और बाहर मत निकालिएगा. मार्जिन लाइन से बाहर नहीं निकालते. इन लाइन से बाहर निकालेंगे ऑब्जेक्ट के तो फिर हमारी कलरिंग नहीं अच्छी लगेगी. जी स्टूडेंट्स, ओके. Yes. In few objects we color blue, and the more objects we do color red. Like this. Do you complete your work? Okay, okay. जा रही हूँ, थक गए हैं अब, चलें करें अब स्टूडेंट्स, आपने कलर्स कंप्लीट किए हैं मेरे साथ? जी, वेरी गुड. Yes, good students. Okay, do you have done coloring? Okay, in the next set, in these objects we count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this set we have 6 objects. Okay students, in this set we have 3 objects, 1, 2, 3. All the students write it. Hurry up and now color in it by yourselves. Students, do your work and color in it. This set is more and this one is fewer. So red color in more and blue is in fewer. So do it fastly and do your work neat. Okay, very nice. Good. Okay students, complete it. Okay, and do blue color in fewer. Hurry up. Okay, do you have done your page? Okay students, hurry up, complete it. Done? Okay. Okay students, take care and do practice these pages. Fi amanillah.